One of the biggest blockbuster hits of the summer was the animated Disney Pixar movie, Cars. A fast-paced comedy adventure set inside the world of Cars, featuring the voices of Owen Wilson, Bonnie Hunt, and Paul Newman.
I'm a race car. Whoa.
Bringing the movie and its cast of characters to life took more than a great crew of animators. It took renowned custom car manufacturer EddiePaul.
Well, a friend of mine, Jay Leno, called one night when I was working late and asked me if I could build some full-size cars of a cartoon that they were producing called Cars. And I didn't know anything about it, but the request was to make some full-size cars, take the car show to help promote the movie. And they needed them to run and drive, and I guess the only person they could think of that could do it in the amount of time they had was me, unfortunately.
If you've seen a movie in the last 20 years, there's a good chance you've seen EddiePaul's handiwork. He began his star-studded career by building the cars for the popular cult classic, Cobra. He built the original General Lee stunt cars for the first season of The Dukes of Hazzard, and most recently, Eddie was the creative force behind all of the stunt cars for The Fast and the Furious. But Eddie's talents don't just lie in cars. He also built a 14-foot-long pneumatically powered mechanical shark for Fabien Cousteau to observe great white sharks in their natural element.
Whenever you get a call for a job, like with a studio or something, the second you say, okay, on the phone, I'll do it, you're committed. And there's a deadline that comes with it and a commitment that it absolutely, positively has to be done and has to be done on time, or it's going to cost people a lot of money. You can't do that without the best crew and the best equipment. We have the best of both, fortunately.
Building cars takes more than skills and determination. It takes the right tools and equipment. For EddiePaul, that equipment includes a revolutionary CNC machine that does hours' worth of work in just minutes. Manufactured by PlasmaCAM Inc., the model DHC plasma cutting table cuts precise metal shapes quickly, safely, and efficiently with the push of a button. Dustin Samuel is PlasmaCAM's company representative.
PlasmaCAM is the best-selling CNC plasma cutting table in the world. The unique part of the system is really the controller and the software. With this graphic interface, which is so user-friendly, PlasmaCAM has basically brought a whole new level of fabrication capabilities to everyday metalworkers who have traditionally struggled with complex CNC programming.
With PlasmaCAM machines, you can basically make any product that you need. Its cutting capabilities run the gamut from automotive parts, company signs, furniture, to fixture frames. There's really no limitations to what you can create with the PlasmaCAM machine.
Well, recently, producers have actually shortened up their deadline. They've always been ridiculous. Now they're even more ridiculous. So we had to have a machine in here that we could get the stuff done fast, get it done right, and get it done perfect. So the PlasmaCAM was about the only solution we had, rather than the way we used to do it.
The PlasmaCAM cutting system includes the complete tested machine, plus the PlasmaCAM design and control software. Each machine consists of a precise rugged frame with an integral cutting grate, drive components with servo motors, a controller and electronics, and high-tech digital height controls.
The PlasmaCAM software is a CAD/CAM program that allows you to draw parts, import files, scan images and photos. You can use hand-drawn artwork or computer files like clip art, make geometric shapes or mechanical parts from CAD drawings. When you convert a file to a cut path, the software automatically adds a lead-in for piercing and offsets the edges to compensate for the kerf width of the torch.
I go into AutoCAD and I'll make a drawing of what I need, say a bracket for a motorcycle. And I'll sketch it out in there. I save it or export it as a DXF file, which is real simple to do. I put it on a memory stick, walk out here, plug it in the computer, and within a couple seconds I have it on the screen. I'm hitting the cut path, turn on the plasma cutter, put a piece of metal in it, and within less than a minute I have a hot little part in my hand.
The PlasmaCAM machine and software makes even the complicated seem simple. This intricate art scene, Giving Thanks, was cut in one 10-foot-long piece. Impress your friends and family by designing and cutting out a personal garden gate for your home. Want to stand out in a crowd? Use the PlasmaCAM machine to create fantastic custom signs featuring scroll mascots, company logos, names, addresses, anything you need to promote your business. The PlasmaCAM machine is also great to create gifts from the heart, such as personalized picture frames, decorative wall hangings, and clocks. This light fixture was made from a flat plasma cut spiral hung from its center.
Virtually any metal can be cut on the PlasmaCAM machine. Anything from steel, stainless steel, galvanized, copper, brass, aluminum. You can literally let your imagination run wild with the PlasmaCAM system.
I use it every single day. So far, it's been on every single project. Because I think what I'm doing is I'm inventing things to use it for because it's so cool. So I'm thinking where I normally would cut something out on a bandsaw, and I go, wait a minute, I can cut the metal on the PlasmaCAM a lot quicker, a lot faster, and more fun.
If you would like more information on PlasmaCAM Inc. and to find out how you can purchase your very own model DHC plasma cutting table and start making perfect metal parts like the pros, call 1-719-676-2700 or visit PlasmaCAM Inc. online at www.plasmacam.com.